Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel, TechOpium. Today, I am thrilled to bring you the most anticipated Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G review. Buckle up because we are diving deep into this powerhouse of a smartphone. Now, guys and gals, let me start by saying that the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G sets new standards in the smartphone world, and it's time to spill the beans on all the fascinating features that make it a true force to be reckoned with. First and foremost, feast your eyes on that stunning design. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G boasts an incredibly sleek and modern look. Its glass back, available in a range of vibrant colors, not only catches the eye but also feels premium to the touch. The display? Oh goodness. Prepare to be blown away by the massive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, streaming your favorite movies, or simply scrolling through social media, every detail will pop off the screen with a jaw-dropping level of clarity and vibrancy. Let's talk about performance, folks. Powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, this beast of a smartphone can handle anything you throw at it. Multitasking feels like a breeze, and even the most graphically demanding games run flawlessly. Now brace yourselves for the battery life. With its mammoth 5,100 mAh battery, the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G will keep you powered up all day long, and then some. No more worrying about running out of juice during those epic gaming sessions or movie marathons. This phone has got your back. Say cheese. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G's camera system is beyond impressive. Equipped with a beautiful camera setup including a mind-blowing 200-megapixel main sensor, get ready to capture breathtaking photos that rival even DSLR quality. From stunning landscapes to detailed close-ups, this phone does it all. Plus, the 5G connectivity ensures lightning-fast uploads to your favorite social media platforms. Xiaomi never fails to deliver an exceptional software experience, and the Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G is no exception. Running on MIUI 14, the latest iteration of Xiaomi's user interface, you get a seamless, intuitive, and highly customizable user experience. Say goodbye to unnecessary bloatware and hello to a UI that truly adapts to your needs. Ladies and gentlemen, after diving deep into the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G, I can confidently say that this smartphone is a tech enthusiast's dream come true. It combines stunning design, an immersive display, jaw-dropping performance, a groundbreaking camera system, and an exceptional user experience, all into one incredible package. So, if you're in the market for a top-tier smartphone that won't break the bank, then the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 5G should be at the top of your list. Trust me, you won't regret it. That's a wrap for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling tech content. Till next time, stay tech-savvy, stay curious, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.